How to exit or close games on an Xbox One. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Xbox One tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully exit any game on your Xbox One. This can be useful if maybe the game crashes or there's something not working on it. And rather than restarting your Xbox One, you want to just fully close the game and then open it back up. As you can see, I'm currently playing Fall Guys on my Xbox One, and if for some reason I need to close that game or any other game that's open, all I need to do is hit the Xbox guide button on my controller, the one that's lit up, then go down to the game I want to close, then select the menu button, which is the button with the 3 horizontal lines on it, go down to quit, select it with the A button, and as you can see, it brought me back home, and now I can open up Fall Guys, and it'll be a fresh game of Fall Guys. All right, so that's how you fully exit or close games on your Xbox One. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Xbox One tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.